This is Friday Night Rivals, driven by Cruz Chevrolet.
Regardless, it's Stratford ball, and we go down to Megan.
Hey, you guys, I'm down here with Lowcountry Orthopaedics Dr. Santiago. How are you today?
Good, how are you?
See you. So tell me what makes Lowcountry Orthopaedics and sports medicine different from other doctors?
Well, Megan, we are the largest orthopedic private practice here in the greater Charleston area. We have 5 different locations around the greater Charleston area with locations that are easy access to patients. We also provide fast access to patients with same day, even next day appointments. In fact, we have after hours on Saturday clinics for our football players here in the community to be seen. We also pride ourselves in listening to patients and providing them both non-operative and operative treatment options. Our motto is that if your body talks, we listen.
Okay.
We have orthopedic specialists in each and every area of orthopedics, including hand upper extremity, which is what I do, spine and sports medicine. We also have been recognized by the Post and Courier for our care of our patients year after year.
Okay. And football is a contact sport. What can players do to avoid elbow joint injuries?
So football players can make sure that they warm up and stretch, make sure their joints are nice and limber. They can also make sure they have had proper training before they play football so they can avoid things like cramps and make sure they're well hydrated. And they can make sure they listen to the body. When they're feeling pain, they should stop and listen to that and take a break and be evaluated.
Okay, Dr. Santiago, thank you so much for joining us down here on the sidelines. Dean Darren, that's a look at this field. I'll send things back up to you.
Safe to say they're putting together one of their better efforts of the year tonight, now that they're in overtime. Time for our player of the game.
Goodbye.
Yep, we'll give it to Mario Anderson because you're not going to give it to Demarius. The senior will take it from the sophomore, right? Both of them have 2 touchdowns.
That would be rude, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I mean, he scored in 2 different numbers. Demarius only scored in number 8. Our very own award-winning Lowcountry Orthopaedics and Sports Medicine providers present the player of the game. Get back in the game. Fast access to Lowcountry Orthopedic and Sports Medicine's 5 locations. They're in Somerville, North Charleston, Moncks Corner, and Daniel Island.
Team down here on the field, Coach. Big game for you guys. What was the speech like in the locker room during halftime that turned things around for you guys?
Just challenge them to play better. We had first half was not real good. We had a lot of penalties that shot ourselves in the foot a lot of times, and just challenge those guys to step up, play the way they've been coached to play. We harped on all week about finishing, taking responsibility of how you play individually. Got to play each play, and they responded well in the second half.
Okay, a lot of good running backs came through this school. How do they compare to Mario?
I'd say he ranks up there among them. He's pretty good. He's a great kid, not only on the football field but also in the weight room and the classroom. Does a good job for us. He's a great leader for us, and we're just glad to have him.
All right, now it's time to present our Lowcountry Orthopedic Player of the Game, Mario Anderson. Correct? All right, Mario Anderson. There you go.